The dowel jigs have gained popularity for their ease of use and great accuracy. They are available in several forms with varied specifications that makes it difficult for the buyer to select the best one. In the following section, we have listed some factors that will help you decide the best dowel jig for your needs. There are many products available to choose the best dowel jig for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dowel jig for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TULM Dowel Jig. This is a self-centering dowel jig which can accurately drill the dowel pins with precise alignments and right angles. You do not need any extra calculations or measuring for perfect results. The tool is an essential part for all carpenter's toolbox as it features 4 near-perfect guide holes for joining the edge joints, butts, and mitters. It also has steel guide center holes to the exact size and for maximum precision. Moreover, the self-centering action enables it to have a maximum capacity of 2 1/2 round or square stock. The tool also allows the user to drill parallel holes due to the standard SAE drill boring sizes, 5 sizes, and that too without moving the jig. The solid hardened steel construction makes sure that the tool has great strength and durability. It is easy to use and simple to maintain. Number 2. Wolfcraft DOWEL JIG. Wolfcraft has been in the tool and equipment industry for over 70 years and have lived up to their name. This dowel jig enables the user to drill, clamp and dowel 2 parts together without any marking or measuring. It is a versatile product that is made to create all kinds of dowel joints like edge surface, edge corner, and edge. This is an innovative alignment jig that provides precise and accurate alignment results for the dowel holes. It is constructed of cast aluminium which makes it durable, and each hole is served with a hardened steel bushing which makes it long-lasting. Further, this board enables the parts to be drilled and joined simultaneously. This pack also features a pre-aligned hole guide which helps beginners in the job. The brand also offers a warranty of 5 years. Number 3. Waraka DOWEL JIG. This dowel jig kit is manufactured to fit into different drill hole sizes of 1/4, 5/16, 7/16, and 1/2 and also with 3 distinguished bushing sizes of 1/4 Z, and that needs very little assistance from the user to get the professional job done. The dowel jig is manufactured with high-quality aluminium alloy, which makes it durable and stable. It also ensures that the tool is resistant to corrosion and to regular wear and tear. Also, this tool ensures precise positioning with fixture bolts of different size, bushing with great threads to realize convenient and simple accurate drilling to make sure of positioning. This self-centering dowel jig is more suitable for creating different pin joints. The brand offers after-sales service to resolve all problems of the customer. Number 4. Powertech DOWEL JIG. Powertech has introduced this dowel drilling jig, which is suitable for creating perfectly centered and placed dowel drill holes in 3/4 thick wood stock. This dowel jig enables ultra-precise, easy and fast joint assembly. The drill guide is manufactured with hardened and rugged steel which ensures durability and strength. It also features 2 guide holes placed 3/4 in the center. Additionally, it comes with a guide plate that ensures easy viewing and is constructed with hardened acrylic. The M35 drill bit is machined precisely with high-speed steel and also features a 135-degree split point for clean, precise drilling action. This tool is ideal for a great variety of frame applications. Number 5. Milescraft DOWEL JIG. Milescraft has been in the business innovating ideas for their tools since 2002. They manufacture the products keeping the user's demands in their mind. This dowel jig kit is a complete set that contains everything to create accurate and strong joints. The set features a self-centering jig with an adjustable fence that enables the user to create all kinds of dowel joints. The 4 self-centering pins ensure that the carpenting task is made simpler. Moreover, the front face features 3 dowel alignment slots that ensure smooth and easy working. This tool also allows you to drill either from the bottom or top side. The set also comes with a carrying case that can store all the accessories that you need to get the project done. It also makes it portable and easy to carry. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.